Despite the surrounding pressures, Indian pharmaceutical businesses are increasingly appearing in the Russian market. India became Russia's largest pharmaceutical supplier in 2023, filling the void left by Western companies leaving the country's market. Mr. Satya Karmpuniya, chairman of Rus Biopharm Group based in Moscow, said that Indian pharmaceutical companies are increasing their presence in Russia despite sanctions from the West. According to Mr. Puniya, due to the relationship between the two countries, I think Indian pharmaceutical companies are playing an increasingly important role in Russia. Mr. Chairman of the Information Group, in the past 2 years, since the outbreak of the conflict in Ukraine and the increasing pressure of sanctions on businesses, India has begun to supply Russia with a series of raw materials used to produce drugs, replacing the role of previous Western drug suppliers. The president said that Russia will receive price benefits for domestically produced drugs if it imports raw materials from India. Russian people will have access to many medicines due to cheaper prices. That is a big benefit, the chairman emphasized. On the contrary, India will also receive many great benefits when it penetrates deeper and deeper into the Russian market. According to Mr. Puniya, about 15 to 20 Indian pharmaceutical companies are already working in Russia. Recently, India replaced Germany as the top drug supplier to Russia. Indian manufacturers increased their drug exports to Russia by 3% last year, with 294 million packages. Germany is Russia's top drug supplier in 2021 and 2022, RBK reported earlier this week, citing data compiled by consulting firm Pharma. Data shows Oxford Laboratories in Mumbai was one of the top drug suppliers to Russia last year, boosting exports of the commodity by 67% to 4.8 million packs. Many Western pharmaceutical companies have ended their operations in Russia due to the Ukraine conflict, including some major global pharmaceutical manufacturers including Eli Lilly, Bayern, Pfizer, MSD, and Novartis. Healthcare is not included in the sanctions list. However, it is possible that these pharmaceutical companies are under pressure to stop investing in Russia as well as stop supplying important drugs, Mr. Puniya said.